Hi, Mohamed Abanour here. I asked my Instagram followers to ask me anything they want anonymously. Kind of regret it, but I'm going to be reacting to the questions blindly. 90% of you watching my videos are not subscribed, so if you do enjoy the videos, please do subscribe. They help a lot. Please enjoy the video. When are you getting married? Well, how do I put this? When the opportunity presents itself. I'm not actively looking for marriage or a partner, but if it happens, I will seize the opportunity. I can promise you that. Who do you love? I don't know. I love God. I love my mum. I love my siblings. I love my friends. I love my community. Make sure you're subscribing or I won't love you, okay? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't got a specific person I love. Is your real name Abdi? No. My name is Mohammed, or Mohammed, if you can't pronounce it correctly. Mohamed Abanour. Mohammed Abanour. If you had 24 hours to hide a body and £10,000 budget, what's your master plan? That's actually a very interesting question, really out of the box. I like these kind of questions. If I had 24 hours to hide a body and £10,000 budget, what's your master plan? Hmm. Where was the most embarrassing place you have ever farted? You know what? A fun fact about me, I don't really care. No. I don't get embarrassed. And here is a story of what happened to me. And this is actually what happened in real life. I was working at the till and just minding my own business. I think I had something bad to eat that day, which is why my stomach was playing up. And behind me, there were two colleagues of mine who were folding up the clothes that were being returned from the customer. And I didn't notice them behind me. So I just let one out. You know, it was a silent, steamy one. I let one out and I heard giggling behind me. I looked around, didn't feel embarrassed anyway. I didn't care. But I feel like that's the most embarrassing place I've ever farted. I have farted in a car, plane, train, uh, wedding. You know, you got to let it go. You know, when you need to fart, you need to fart. Don't hold it in. Let it out. Between Superman and Goku, who do you think would win? Now this is a question of the ages. All right. For all of you who know who Goku and Superman is, this is Goku and that's Superman. All right. There have been an ongoing argument of who is stronger and who would win. My, I'm on Goku's side. Okay, I'm on Goku's side. What do you think? What do you think the first person to milk a cow was actually trying to do? This is a very, very interesting question, and I've actually thought of all of the scenarios which might lead to someone tugging on the udder of a cow and tasting the milk. Like, what was going through the mind of this person? They're just walking through a field and they see this big cow just mooing, just minding his own or her own business, eating the grass, living life, chilling, relaxing, and they just end up under the cow, pulling on its udder. Maybe I shouldn't do this hand gesture, and drinking the milk. Honestly, I feel like they were high off their head. Okay, you know, it would have been a scenario where someone wasn't thinking straight. They were thirsty. They saw a little calf sucking on the udder of a mother, and They thought, you know what? That little calf likes it. I'm going to try it. It tastes good, so I'm going to let other people try it. You know, it's like a chain reaction. If Donkey Kong is a monkey, not a donkey, why was he given that name? You're a genius. I think you're onto something. That's all the questions we have for today. I appreciate every single one of you for asking those questions. A lot of them were outside of the box. This was a blind answer, by the way. Make sure you're following all my socials at the bottom of the screen. I will be doing more of these in the future. It might not be Ask Me Anything, it might be something else, but you'll only know if you're following me. If you like the video, please like the video. Comment what you think. Give me some of your answers as well. I like to know what you guys think of some of the questions that were in the video. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? A lot of interesting videos coming in the next few weeks and months. I'm so excited for you guys to see. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.